Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure Codm is updated and you are signed in. This avoids missing leaderboard data. Once done, connect to stable Wi-Fi or a strong mobile signal so pages load fast. Next, open the game and tap your profile icon at the top left or use the leaderboard icon if visible on the main HUD. This immediately brings up the leaderboard panel where rankings load. You're now at the entry point to view season and mode standings. Now you refine what you see by selecting the specific mode, ranked, multiplayer, or battle royale, and then apply region and timeframe filters so results match your region and season. Make sure to toggle the friend or clan filter if you only want your circle. Once the list appears, tap any player entry to inspect their profile, recent match history, and stat breakdown. This helps you understand why they're high-ranked and which metrics, like win rate or KDR, push them up. Finish by refreshing the leaderboard to ensure you have the latest server sync standings. Wait a few seconds if data is slow. Then compare your rank to top players and note specific targets, for example, win streaks or medal totals, to plan improvement. If the leaderboard won't load or shows incorrect ranks, update the app, clear Codm cache, or restart the device. If problems persist, switch regions briefly and back to force a sync. This single troubleshooting tip fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.